degrees.
48 degrees, what does that mean?
Maximum advance.
Is that a lot or little?
Should have 32.
Oh shit, so we've got more power to come out of it?
No. Well, might do, so over advanced, needs to retard it.
Oh shit, man. It's a good thing.
A bit melting it.
Will it run back? Really?
Yeah. 40 degrees, way 2 minutes.
How did that happen?
48, way 2 minutes.
So it should be 33?
Should be 30 to 32. So we're like 16 degrees over advanced.
Guys, we're 16 degrees over advanced, whatever that means. So Chris is going to sort that out. Thank you, Chris. Oh, and we've got the graph, guys, the graph. And it's also got, well, that's all it's got. Does it give you power reading here? Engine output 73 brake horsepower. Just there. Do you want to focus on it?
Yeah, it's already done.
Is it done it?
Yep.
73 horsepower at what RPM? 5 maximum power at 95 mile an hour. It did 95 miles an hour.
40, yeah.
Fucking hell.
Jesus Christ.
5,490 RPM. Maximum torque at 68 miles an hour was where's torque? 82 foot-pounds. 82 foot-pounds of torque. I don't know what that means, man.
That's good, man.
Bang on, that is.
Yeah? Do you do that by turning the distributor?
32, yeah.
33 degrees, you say,
32,
yeah?
that is, man.
32.
A lot more healthy.
Cool, thank you, man. Do you want to mash it? I'll mash it, yeah?
Yeah, you mash it. Let's just check. That felt like it clicked then.
Okay. That's full.
Yeah, we got full.
Okay.
Yeah. To be fair, fueling was near as damn bang on then. I don't actually know if we're going to get anything more like that.
No, man,
If the
no.
fueling's right and the timing's right, there's nothing else left, is there? Or we might have got an extra 1 horsepower.
I told you put some water in a washer bowl. I'll give you an extra couple of horsepower or something.
The fueling looked good, so I don't think we're going to get a lot else.
Leave that as it is, man. So that's the ignition sorted. So cam timing we're not going to even bother now because it's got the freaking cam cover on it.
Yeah, was it a vernier?
No.
Oh, I can't adjust it anyway. But I'll give it another run.
Yeah.
I want to check the fueling a bit more.
Okie dokie.
You had something fall off. That just fell off.
Power, man.
You want me to show how to do one?
With a brake, I'm trying to do it with a brake. How do you do it, man?
I'll show you.
Tell me how to.
I'll show you. I'll have to try it to see if it works.
No, this fell off. As you did the first burnout.
Hang on.
Put it down there, that'll do.
Film it. Down there?
Yeah. It's flooding out.
Nearly.
Which wheel is it?
I think it needs a limited slip differential, man.
Definitely.
Let me have a go.
Dude!
You go backwards, stick it into first.
Backwards, bang it into first.
No brake. No brake.
Why is there a lot of smoke coming off it?
Tyres, warming the tyres.
Oh, is it tyres, is it? Oh, fuck! You need to get it in the middle of the road.
In the middle of the road?
Yeah. That's the one! Drive it like a man, Paul. Come on, Paul. It's not fucking driving Miss Daisy.
Yeah! Grandad!
I'll get a pound of taters while you're at it, Paul. Fucking hell.
Oh, mate.
Sort it out, Paul. Put your foot down.
Handbrake. That's brilliant, man.
You gotta nail it, dude.
awesome burnout, man.
I got it on camera, dude.
Brilliant.
There's one in there somewhere. No, there
Try and
isn't.
do a burnout. Come on, Gav.
I haven't done many.
Do you want to film me?
I don't even have a license.
The what?
A what?
What's that? What did he say? He hasn't got a license.
That's reverse. Very close reverse. Put a bit of throttle on it, man.
Yeah, you got to give it some body, mate.
You gotta rev it up, it's a dirty engine.
It's a bit of a dirty. I have never seen Gav behave like that. That's a proper hooligan, that is. You're a hooligan! You're a hooligan! Nail it! Paul, what do you think, mate?
Mate, it's scary as hell, honestly, driving that thing. But,
You did well, man. Nice and smooth.
thank you.
Now reverse it, and then bang it into first gear as you're when you've left the car coasting.
You've got to treat it dirty, haven't you?
You gotta be horrid, you gotta pull it there and spank its ass, man.
Paul, you got to spank it, man, and you're good at spanking.
I'm good at
shit.
spanking, and
You need to transfer that into the car, man. Push the throttle right down. Yes. There's a backfire.
You have a little one there.
Do what I told you, man, because you're getting much better burnout then.
Yeah, I think what I'm doing
Yeah.
is I'm accidentally going into
Third. Yeah. You need to be quite aggressive with it, dude. Chris, show you how to do it, man. She's getting a bit basic, isn't she?
I think it probably needs it, doesn't it? You know, it needs that.
I think she needs it.
Yeah, definitely.
I mean, some people curious and say she doesn't, but you know, we're having fun, aren't we? That's the idea,
Yeah, man. Yeah.
terrifying fun for me.
It is a bit scary, yeah. There's Chris in it. Yes! Oh yes! I wanted to catch it. I wanted to catch it as you were coming back. Do it again. Do it again. That was good. That was good. I caught it. Lads, fucking well done. Thank you very much to Chris. Thank you to Gav. Thank you to Paul. Thank you to Kate. Beautiful little Kate. Done a great job. We've done some fucking awesome burnouts. Gav's just done a freaking burnout. I didn't know it was in him. Paul, you need work.
I do, yeah. Family
Thanks
man,
a lot.
mate. Family man, you know, that's what it is.
Thanks a lot, lads, and thanks for helping out and all that. Cheers, guys. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and we will see you soon.